This is a brief tutorial to show you how to correctly add a video from YouTube or Vimeo, works the same way, to a news item in the new website. So having already created the news item that we want to add video to, I can be in the list of all news items and I can select the news item I want to add video to, in this case this one. Okay, now the first trick is to know that I'm in the right field for adding video to display in the place that we want it. In this case, we want the video to display up the top of the page as the first thing the reader encounters. So that is in the header of the item. So I've got to move along these tabs here from media, which is where it will always default to be the selected tab because it's first, into header. I want to make sure that category stays as not displayed, but I want to change the element that displays in the header from nothing, as is the default, to video. And that will bring up the field I need to enter the URL into. Now, the second trick to remember is which version of the URL you have to gather from YouTube to correctly display. I've already opened up the correct video simply by searching under the name and the title. There it is, so I can bring it up just as if I was a normal user of YouTube watching it, but now here's where I start to handle things a bit differently. I do not want to grab the URL that is showing in my browser, which is a URL that navigates me logged in as Chris to view this video. What I'm looking for is the fixed short URL that will always display this video no matter who is using it. And that lives down here under the title in the share section. So by tapping on that share button, I get this option coming up, which is all the different ways I might choose to share this video on the internet or by email, etc. Now, I stay in the first of these three tabs in just share, and it offers me a fixed shortened URL. I want to copy that content and take it back to my news item and paste it in there. That is the one. Now that that's there, I just got to remember always to click update every time I make a change.